The distance between Rehan and Samreen had increased, but the love in their hearts had become deeper than before. The college days now seemed incomplete for both of them. Where there used to be laughter and conversation, now there was silence. Samreen often looked at Rehan from a distance. She wanted to say something, but Rehan always looked away. One day, there was a big function in the college. All the students were happy, music, laughter, noise, but both of their hearts were silent. At the same function, an announcement was suddenly made. Today we will give an award to our best student, and that is Rehan. The entire hall erupted in applause. Rehan came on stage in simple clothes, but his eyes sparkled with hard work. He grabbed the mic, remained silent for a moment. Then his eyes fell on Samreen. This success after my parents is because of a person who taught me to believe in myself. The hall fell silent. Tears welled up in Samreen's eyes. That person is Samreen. Everyone was shocked to hear this. Rehan's voice filled up. I pushed him away because I felt I wasn't worthy of him. But today I understood. Love doesn't see ability. After hearing these words, Samreen couldn't hold herself back any longer. She ran to the stage. Rehan, I don't want your wealth. I just want you. The entire hall was watching this scene. Rehan also had tears in her eyes. She said softly, Can you really live with me in this simple life? Samreen smiled and replied, Where there is love, that life is beautiful. Hearing this, Rehan held her hand. The entire hall echoed with applause. This was the victory of love, the defeat of pride and difference. Ending. A few months later, Samreen went to Rehan's village for the first time, where there was simplicity, but there was also true happiness. And there, a new life began.